The countdown begins. September 23rd, 2025, the day everything changes. Fast dramatic calendar flip landing on September 23rd, 2025 with motion blur and crisp date focus. Starting from zero. No sales, no momentum, just a blank slate. Close-up of clean whiteboard with $0 written in bold black marker emphasizing starting point. Every journey starts with a single step, or in this case a single box. Medium shot of hands carefully packing a single cardboard box on a wooden desk, minimal resources. This is the world of Amazon FBA, massive, competitive, and full of opportunity. Sweeping drone shot over massive fulfillment warehouse with endless shelves and robotic systems. The goal is clear, $0 per $100,000 in sales. The journey starts now. Animated on-screen graphic, digital counter showing $0 per $100,000 with progress bar at 0. What does it really take to go from absolute zero to $100,000 in sales on Amazon? Is it even possible anymore, or is the market too saturated? Starting right now, I'm finding out. This is my 90-day Amazon FBA challenge. No existing product, no supplier list, no audience, just a $5,000 budget, a camera, and a day-by-day plan. This is episode 1. Welcome to the grind. Welcome to BotBuilt, where we test strategies in real time. Before we start, the rules. 1. The goal is $100,000 in sales revenue, not profit. 2. My total budget is $5,000 for everything: product, shipping, ads, mistakes. 3. I will document the entire process, the wins, the losses, the data, no secrets. My success or failure is your case study. Let's break down the Phase 1 plan. Week 1, laying the foundation. Every day counts. Full screen calendar graphic highlighting days 1 to 7 with animated milestone markers. Research mode, analyzing data, searching for that winning product. Screen recording style dashboard showing search results and data tables for product ideas. Days 1 to 7, the hunt for a winner. I'm using a combination of tools. Helium 10 for data-driven research, looking for products with high search volume but low competition. Jungle Scout for estimating sales of competitors. Defining the criteria. This is where strategy meets execution. Close-up of whiteboard with handwritten criteria and check marks. My criteria: small, lightweight, under $30 to manufacture, and has the potential for a unique branding angle. By day 7 I will have 3 solid product ideas and choose one. Week 2, time to find the right supplier. Calendar graphic transitions to days 8 to 14 with supplier icons and milestones. Days 8 to 14 negotiations begin. Every message could make or break the deal. Screen recording of email threads with multiple supplier responses visible. Shipping logistics, timing is everything. DHL-style tracking interface showing Air Express shipping options and ETA. The goal? Get 3 sample units shipped via DHL Air Express. I'll be testing the quality, the communication speed, and negotiating the unit price based on a 500-unit order. This week is all about due diligence. Week 3, brand building in full swing. Calendar graphic showing days 15, 21 with branding and design icons highlighted. Designing a logo that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Screen recording of logo design workflow with drag and drop elements. Days 15, 21, building the brand. While I wait for samples, I'm building the brand Aura Glow. Example. I'm using Canva to design a logo and mid-journey to create lifestyle images for the listing. Inspiration fuels creativity, every detail matters. Close-up of physical mood board with swatches, typography, and inspiration photos. I'm writing bullet points that focus on benefits, not just features. The goal is a premium, trustworthy listing before a single unit is produced. Week 4, orders and shipping milestones ahead. Calendar graphic displaying days 22 to 30 with order and shipping milestones. Quality check, making sure every unit meets the standard. Hands examining product samples with magnifying glass, checking details and finish. Days 22, 30, pulling the trigger, samples are approved. I'm placing my first order for 500 units. Payment sent, no turning back now. Wire transfer confirmation screen showing international payment details and success. The first shipment is on its way. Wide shot of a pallet being loaded onto a delivery truck at a shipping facility. This is the scary part, wiring thousands of dollars overseas. Once produced, I'll ship them to Amazon via air freight to save time. My $5,000 budget will be mostly gone after this. The race to the first sale begins. Let's talk risk. My break-even point is selling 93 units. If this product fails, I lose almost my entire budget. I'll be tracking key metrics every single day. PPC ad spend, ACOS, advertising cost of sale, conversion rate, and most importantly, organic ranking. I'll share all of this with you in the next update. So that's the plan for the first 30 days. It's a race against the clock and my bank account. In the next episode, we'll see if the product arrives, if the listing converts, and if we can get those first crucial sales. What's your prediction? Will Oraglow be a hit or a flop? Make your guess in the comments. To follow this challenge in real time, I'm posting daily updates, screenshots, and data on our Instagram at BotBuilt. The link is in the description. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you don't miss episode 2. This is going to be a wild ride.